Were you the only one in the vehicle?
Yep. I mean, there's no reason for me to say I don't have my debit card.
I get it. I get it.
She said she put it in here. There's nothing in here. I went through all my stuff. I was sitting there, and she kept arguing that it fell on the floor. It didn't fall.
For today's video, officers with the Columbus Division of Police are going to have to use all of their intelligence, all of their training, and all of their investigative skill to determine whether or not a Walgreens employee stole this man's credit card.
Columbus Police, take 111.
Yes, I need a police officer dispatched to a place of business that they took my credit card. I'm at Walgreens.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. You guys have an issue with a customer and a credit card or something?
Yeah.
Is he still here?
Let me take you this way.
What was the, before we go back there,
What's the issue?
What's the issue?
He's saying that he can't find his credit card, so he's yelling at one of our employees.
Oh, so like a lost
Yeah.
and
Oh,
found
he's at the
type.
pharmacy.
Oh, yeah, he's at the pharmacy. Could I talk with him?
We copy, thank you. Hi, are you Robert?
Yes, I am.
What's going on?
Sir, what can we help you with?
I went to the drive-thru, gave them my card. They rung it up. They didn't give my card back.
Okay.
And they're just arguing that they said they did. Well, I don't have the card. It's not in the bag. It's not in my car. But they don't really seem to care to look for it back here because that's where it's at. That's the only place it can be.
Gotcha. And you took a look in your car just to
Yeah,
double
she
check
even
and make
came
sure?
out and looked in it. You can. I don't care. You guys can look in it.
Okay. If you don't mind, I'll go back and talk to them, see what they can drum up. Do you want to go out with him to his
Sure.
car?
Yeah. What kind of card is it?
It's a PNC orange debit card.
Okay.
What about looking at the cameras? They said.
I did, sir. She grabs the card from the terminal, puts it in the bag.
Puts it with the bag. It's not in my car.
So you drove through. Were you the only one in the vehicle?
Yep. I mean, there's no reason for me to say I don't have my debit card.
I get it. I get it.
She said she put it in here. There's nothing in here. I went through all my stuff. I was sitting there, and she kept arguing that it fell on the floor. It didn't fall on the floor. It was never returned to me.
All right. I'm gonna take a quick look through the card just so I can say that I did that.
You could take everything out of my car. It's not in my car. I need to go do some other stuff, and I
hear you.
don't need this excuse.
He's gonna look at it, and I'll see what I can find for you. All right?
But they don't flipping care that they have it.
So do you want to go apologize to them now or later?
Where was it at?
Right there in between your seat?
I'll go apologize now.
We'll go back to our 13 Walmart.
Sonny, she looked in there too and didn't see it in there. Your partner came back out there. He probably gave it to you.
It's on camera, buddy.
Why did he walk that up?
132. 32. We're 2 bedroom 8. Can you put us back on that 34 in Haviland? Copy 2, you'll be there.
Sorry, he found it.
Have a good one.
Now you too.
Bye.
How are you?
They're all bad. She's 19 years old. She's crying. He's screaming at her that she stole his credit card.
Well, he just told me that my partner and I planned this, and you guys had it the whole time, and walked it out to me, and I put it in his car. Yeah.
It's funny, she looked in there too and didn't see it in there. Your partner came back out there, he probably gave it to you.
Yeah. He seems like a very pleasant individual.
Really? I wonder. So Troy must have found it out there.
No, I found it.
Oh, you
It was
found
in between his seat.
Oh, I was gonna.
Right where he was sitting.
In the car. I look in the bag. I look in the leaf. I'm sweating. I'm sweating because he was screaming at me out there on the sidewalk. And I was like, she didn't take it. She didn't take it. It's just misplaced. And he's like, it's not lost. You stole it. It's in
I
a
literally,
purse."
he watched me pull it out of his car, and he's blamed.
He came in. He goes, sorry.
Kind of.
I found it. Yeah.
He,